as the Conqueror said, the Buddha's teaching is very deep and very difficult to understand, and he often use story to explain his teachings to be easy. I'm gonna skip one story. I'm gonna talk about the title of the story is The Young Deer Played That. The Young Deer That Played That. There's a wise deer that teach the young deer, wise teacher, that teach the young deer how to escape from the hunters. The teacher, how to escape from the hunter. There's a one young deer. He's a good pupil. Is never bad in class, and is thanks the teacher after every class, like us, thank teacher Hanja after every class. So we are wise pupils. Also, one day, that young deer and this young deer was caught in a trap of the hunter. Hunter in a trap, and the young deer caught in a trap of the hunter, and all his friends run in fright. Its friend run in fright to the mother deer, to his mother, to tell about her baby was caught in a trap. And when the mother deer heard that news, he cried to teacher, and the teacher and the wise teacher comforted her. Don't worry about your baby. Your baby is such a good pupil. He will come back safely because he's a good pupil. He will come back safely. And then the hunter came and look at his trap. And there was a baby deer. There was a deer, one young deer caught in a trap. And the young deer remember what the teacher had taught him. And he pretended to be dead by sticking out his tongue and lying still. Yes. And that made the hunter believe that the young deer was really dead. And the hunter believed, and then he started to steam the fire and to cook the deer. At that moment, the young deer jumped up and ran away, like the wind ran away. And the hunter didn't notice that he ran away. All his friends were happy that the young deer came back safely. And they all thanks to a wise teacher that's teaching them to escape. Teaching them to escape from the hunter. And that's all. In this story, I have to be a good pupil. Being a good pupil brings great rewards. Respecting teacher. When as I experience, as I was in 10th standard. In 10th standard, in the class, I always do not follow the teacher, as I didn't follow the teacher. When the teacher taught me, I think that it's easy. It's easy. Why we have to learn that easy things? And my friends all listen, and I'm say something like this. It's when a matriculation exam, I saw a question paper. Yes, question paper. It's an easy question, but I couldn't answer the question because I didn't listen. I didn't listen to the teacher carefully, and that's it's a kind of respect. And we have to respect the teacher. We have to respect a teacher. Yes, be a good pupil.